Why did the interior designer get promoted? Because they always knew how to make a great impression and really brought everything together for the final project.